Join me as I dive into the world of finance to see if I can predict the next big market meltdown before it happens. A market meltdown is one of the most feared events in the financial world, and for good reason. It can erase significant amounts of wealth in a matter of hours, leaving individuals and institutions reeling. The thought of it is enough to keep even the most seasoned investors up at night, wondering if they're prepared for the worst. The causes of a market meltdown are complex and multifaceted, but some experts point to factors like inflated asset prices, excessive debt, and geopolitical tensions as potential triggers. As these factors continue to build, the threat of a market meltdown grows, casting a dark cloud over the financial landscape. The uncertainty is palpable, with many investors left wondering if they'll be able to weather the storm. Fears of a global economic downturn are growing, and the very real possibility of a market meltdown is keeping investors on edge. If the worst were to happen, the consequences would be far-reaching, with institutions and individuals alike facing potential financial ruin. Some of the most respected voices in the financial world are sounding the alarm, warning of an impending market meltdown that could have devastating consequences. According to experts, the signs are clear, from unusual market behavior to eerie parallels with past financial crises. They're warning that the current market trends are unsustainable and that a correction is not only possible, but likely. The sheer scale of the potential damage is staggering, with entire generations of wealth potentially at risk. Historically, market meltdowns have been preceded by periods of irrational exuberance, and many are wondering if we're seeing the same warning signs today. The question on everyone's mind is, what can be done to prevent or mitigate the damage? When it comes to wealth erasure, the implications are dire. Experts are warning that the average person could see their life savings wiped out in a matter of days, leaving them with nothing but debt and uncertainty. The very concept of financial security would be turned on its head, with no one immune to the effects. The impact on demographics would be varied, with some groups facing disproportionate risks, from retirees living off their investments to young families struggling to make ends meet. The thought of a market meltdown erasing decades of financial progress is a sobering one, and experts are urging individuals to take immediate action to protect themselves. This is not a drill, the threat is real, and the consequences would be catastrophic. In summary, the threat of a market meltdown is real, and the potential consequences are dire. It's imperative that individuals take action to protect themselves and their wealth from the coming storm. The signs are clear, and the experts are warning us. Will we heed their advice? Thanks for watching. What do you think about the potential for a market meltdown? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you're new here, consider subscribing for more financial insights, and be sure to check out my related video on financial preparedness.